What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a distributor seal replacement. So first, as you can see, you want to mark the distributor and this part that's holding it. So you want to draw your line just like that. You want you want to be straight as possible. And as you can see, it's like all dirty down there. So you got 1, 2, and 3 bolts that you want to loosen them and take out. And then after that, we're gonna take this out. All right, ladies and gents, so I took this out, and here's the issue right there. That seal is what's causing this oil leak. So if you're having some oil leak going on the side, it will most likely be this seal right here. All right, ladies and gents, we are back in action. As you can see, I managed to take this out. But nah, ladies and gents, I managed to take this out. There's an oil leak coming from there. And if you're having a similar situation, then most likely it will be your distributor seal. So you want to replace that. Look at all that nastiness. And yeah, so I bought this at Harbor Freight for about $10. So I would recommend you to go to Harbor Freight and get you one of these, just in case. Or Amazon, either or. But Harbor Freight. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that area. Some of this right here. Boom. Go from there. Then you want to grab one of these. Some way, somehow, do your best to take it out. You gotta find ways and find angles. Oh, look at that. Let's see. That shouldn't be like that. And this is why it's causing the leak. Because it got hard. Pause. It's supposed to be soft. So yeah. Switch that out. Take the seal and try to manage it to go through, and boom, that should do it right there. All right, I did the best I can to clean this area right here. I'm gonna just do like a power wash next time. So the seal is in. So this is a very important step. See those two teeths, right? You want to match up those two grooves right there. Then you should be straight. Match those up, and yeah, you should be good to go. All right, cool. Everything is back to normal. Yes, I did turn on the car and there was no leaks. So I did that off camera. Yeah, don't mind that. Yeah, never mind. But that's not the case right now. But anyway, oh wait, hold on. I see a leak. Hold on. Is that a leak? Oh no. That's something else. I'm bugging. I thought there was a leak. I'm about to say, oh my god, I gotta replace it again. But nah, there's no leaks. So we have 0 engine oil leaks. 0. The only leak I have right now is the seals on the transmission. Yeah, so the axle seals on the transmission are leaking, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, everything else seems good. Everything in place. I mean, I gotta, change this. I gotta, change the hardware. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about that. Like the engine oil cap. Little details here and there I gotta change, I gotta replace, little by little. But yeah, distributor seal. That's how you say it? Yes. Distributor seal. Replaced. No leaks. Easy fix. Easy replacement. Don't get intimidated. Don't get scared. Because this is easy work right here. And never forget to mark your distributor positioning. Yeah, so don't forget that. That's the most important thing right there. So, and I did the best I can to clean that area. Like I said, I'm gonna power wash it next time, so it'll be a lot more cleaner. But yeah, hope you ladies and gents like the video. I don't really say this much, but like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this of the Acura Integra Special Edition. I thought it was LS, but it's a special edition because in the back it has that special edition badge. So yeah, I thought it was LS, but it's not. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Have a blessed day. Or have a blessed night. Peace.